Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one tool where you guys can analyze your website core web vital report date wise. Okay, so the website name is CRUXVIS. So this is a website name, and I can also provide this website URL over the description section, so where you guys can access easily. So what is the interesting feature of this website? So you can analyze your CLS report with data. So you can see this the last data from March 24. So last data from March 24, and the next data is for March, April, this is May data, May 24 data, and this is May 10 24 data, and this is the May 17 24 data. So you can analyze your over the time your website core web vital report. So how you have optimizing your website performance report performance. Okay, so first one is LCP, second one is INP, and the third one is CLS. So second one is INP is basically interaction to next point. So basically how your website are interacting with Google your browser. So basically this data for the Chrome. So INP is basically how your website responding on a Chrome web browser. Okay, so you can analyze this data. There is you can also able to analyze for the phone, for desktop, for all devices. So there is a customizable option to you can analyze your website a report, and also there is a option to you can analyze through the date range. So this is a maximum date range, and if you wanting, so you can check any specific time frame. Okay, and there is a option to you can add your different URL to analyze your data. So let me use this page, and we can analyze some data. So for this page you can see the core web vital report is loading performance is need for the improvement, interactive is need for the improvement, and the CLS is looks good. Okay, and in the left section there is a particular section wise option to you can analyze your loading performance for the your all devices, kind of desktop and the phone. And there is also to you can analyze a display wise a data, kind of disruptions. You can see this is a disruption data, and this is a for the booth. So you are able to analyze this data for the all devices and the display wise also, and the same for the interactive. So there is the same option feature, so you can analyze your all data, kind of your INP, and the INP 70% good, need for the improvement, and many things. And the same for the visual stability. So you can also the same data you can analyze for the all options, and there is all matrix features. So you can analyze your all data, kind of INP and the CLS, FCP, also the TTB, TTFB, total time to first byte. And you can also analyze the round trip time, and the navigation types, and the from forum factors. So there is many features, so you guys can analyze your website core web vital report using this website. So according to me this is a very best website. So you can audit the you can analyze your website over the time performance report. So when your website are performing very well, and now in the now what is your report. So these kind of data you can analyze using this website. So this is a very close for the audit your website core web vital report. Okay, so overall this is the feature of this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.